Hey guys, Coolt Reviews here, and today we'll be checking out the Brio steam train and tunnel set. Now, this is literally my first Brio set I've ever had, so I'm gonna try and open it. I got it all out of the box off screen. Hold up, be right back. So yeah, here's the locomotive. It's pretty nice, but it's just a recolor of that generic black steam engine that you just find on. So it even has brio underneath. And here's the tender. Really generic. Now let's get to the tunnel. So yeah, this is just your generic brio tunnel. I don't know if they stopped making these, but yeah, the product made a return. So yeah, this is the end for my review. But before you go, let's see how this canonically operates. Yes. Okay, fits IKEA track. So yeah, that was the model in motion. So goodbye. See you in the next video.